Hi everybody. So I went to the Dior event earlier and I ordered a couple of things. So I'm gonna unbox some of the things that I got, and it was all sent to me by mail. So I received my bag in the mail today and I'm really excited to see the products I got. So I'm pulling everything out right now from the mail. And let's see, we've got some things wrapped up. I've got this Dior box, and it has, I think this is a brush case, so I could put my makeup brushes and different things in here. Comes with a little packs to keep it fresh. That's really sweet. That's really nice. It has Dior on it. Put that right there. Let's see what other items I have in here, wrapped in bubble wrap. The kids, they love that. And then to pop the bubble wrap. And I've got a little gift box right here. I'm gonna get the scissors, get rid of the tape. Get that tape off. And right here. So when I went to the virtual event, it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed meeting everyone. And it was just a nice little, it was almost like a nice little pampering session that was just for me. And it was, all my questions were answered about products and things that I could use for my skin. It was just really nice. Oh, this is so adorable. I didn't expect to get all of this great stuff. So I have a cute little Dior bag. You can use it for all kinds of little things. This is so cute. There's something in it. What? Oh, there's little samples in here. Oh, lip maximizer, Dior Addict. Love it. And a little sample of J'adore perfume by Dior. That is so cute. It's gonna go in my cute little makeup bag. And it feels so soft. It's just so cute. I love it. And oh my goodness. Okay, so I have the Hydra Life Glow Better Fresh Jelly Mask. So a new mask for me to try. I'm gonna try it out and tell you guys all about it. We'll see how that works. So I'm really just, can't wait. And then I got the Skin Boosting Super Serum. I've been wanting to try this for a while now. So here it is. And I'm just really excited about trying that. And this boosts your skincare products. So it's an intense skin detoxifying booster serum. So I'm all about detoxing right now. Everything from what I'm eating, what I'm putting in my body, what I'm putting on my body. It's just really important right now before Easter for me. Is always a good time to detox, to cleanse, get my mind right, get my body right, and just do all the things that I need to do for me. And then there's all these other samples, Capture Total. I've got another one. I've got so many samples. There's this cute, Dream Skin. I love Dream Skin. I have the big bottle, by the way. And then just all kinds of cool little samples. I have no idea what this is. This looks really cool. Oh, the Dior Addict, the lips. Oh, Stellar Halo Shine, and all the different colors. So it's a lipstick sampler with a little brush. It's so cute. I love it. So I'm really looking forward to trying all these little goodies. And I've got an eye serum in here. Oh, a sample of the eye serum. Put that in my little baggie. Oh, I've been waiting for this. Waiting for this. Okay, so Miss Dior. There's like a rose that I really want to try. Is this the Miss Dior? I don't know if this is the, no, I don't think this is the rose. No, but I'm gonna probably try the rose at some point because I heard it smells really, really good. So that's all I've gotten in my box, which is actually a lot. And I'm really excited. So thank you for watching my unboxing of my Dior event items. And I will tell you how well they work when I try them out. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.